Michael Rogat po from Radyo Pilipinas. Sir, bigyan niyo lamang kami ng konting background nung ipagpapal po ninyo ng kaso laban po rito kay Ms. Contreras.
Well, simula nung January, actually, Christmas ito no? Christmas break kami, which we normally do kahit wala pa ako sa gobyerno. So, on Christmas break, sinabi niya, punta ako ng US, sinabi niya, iniwan ko rin yung pamilya ko para puntahan siya at ipapatay siya. So, normally, kung work-related, I wouldn't mind. Siyempre, it comes with the territory. I've been in government service before. Talaga naman kasama yan. Hindi ka pwede nang umalis sa US. Pero para sabihin niya, claim niya na I was there, na parang papatay siya, medyo wala namang kinalaman sa trabaho ko yun, no? And that's of course without offering any proof. No? And these are all allegations just because I'm there. Hindi ba pwedeng magpunta lang sa snow? Hindi ba pwedeng, I mean, it's just there. It was like as if that was my only purpose, no? So, ganun. This is very sad. Sabi ko nga, hindi ganito ang Pilipino eh. Magkahalap po tayo eh. We respect. We're respectful in anything. Yung ginawa niya yun, at sinasabi niya pa na pinaglatod niya sa FBI, sa LAPD, we will see kung ano yung talaga yung inaano niya. And so I chose a very good lawyer whom I think has specialized sa ganitong klase, no? Sa reputation and brand management. So, kasi kailangan makita niya na hindi mo ito biro. Just because you can, you will. I was sharing earlier, the traditional media, the mainstream media, went through the same. When they were empowered by the printing press, lahat na kung ano-ano na sinasabi until nag-settle na at disiplina. This is what I should learn. Just because merong capability ay gagawin na. Hindi po, there are limits to everything we do. So I chose nga, recommended by a friend to hire lawyer, si Camille Vasquez, who is, is very popular now. And because she was able to win a case without even mentioning the name of her client. No? So she must be really good. And it took a while before she took on my case, our case, kasi pinag-aralan niya rin po eh. Pinag-aralan niya rin po kung it's a good case. So I think she saw the merit ng kaso. That's why she took the case.
Sir, last question on my part. Kung sakasakaling mapapatunayan tungkol sa kasong ipinay po ninyo, ano po ang magiging parusa ni Maharlika dyan po sa kasong yan?
Well, sa states kasi, only the state can file criminal charges. This is the only recourse that we have as of now. It's a civil case. So, we will sue for damages dito. Pero iba sa US, no? If napalo ka, lahat ng properties mo will have to pay for that. And including kung kulang, even future earnings. Mapupunta. But I think that's too early. I think we'll have to focus on the issue at hand, which is I filed a case against her. And let's see how things develop.